evening. Naligaw ako kasi nagbago yung tsura. Ini-expect ko yung bakante. Hi.
Ito si Janica, may
Hi, Janica.
Ito, may future son.
Hello.
Hi, I see you again. Extra seat na lang.
Ayos. Sila na interviewin mo, sila na may-ari nito.
Janica,
Congrats, ha?
Jessica. That's Sophia.
Since when kayo nag-open?
Since August 11, Friday.
Ah, talaga? This August lang?
Yeah. Sige po, kain tayo.
Sige. Available na po ang agribusiness merch sa Shopee. Ang link nasa description box.
How long yung naging biyahe nyo? Galing kayo Bulacan?
No, QC. QC. Ma-traffic pala pag ganitong oras, kaya natagalan
Kasi
kami.
Ortigas Extension. Tapos traffic.
Alright, so okay, kasama natin si Janica and Jeffrey. At andito tayo sa
Samgyup Salamat, Antipolo Branch.
Antipolo Branch. Okay. So, bagong-bagong open.
Yes po, bagong open lang kami.
Oo.
August 11, we started August 11. So about 3 weeks pa lang since
3
we
weeks.
started.
And since nag-start kayo, ganito ka full pack every day?
Usually sa gabi.
Sa
Oo,
gabi?
Yes.
Bakit restaurant?
I think it's because of the location talaga. So we have this parang area here in Antipolo that's a corner property na highway. Tapos maraming palengke. So from there, we really wanted to parang start a business that would cater to the audience here.
Alright. Janica, can we tour?
Yeah, of course.
So, dito, sila nagbe-prepare.
Yeah, so from here, the kitchen serves yung mga orders ng customers, and then the dining dispatch, they prepare it for the waiters to serve. So dito yung pinaka, like, as in bakbakan, nandito siya sa area
Dito talaga.
na to.
Ito yung sobrang busy net. How many staff you have?
I have about 30 to 35 staff, and then 3 managerial supervisors and manager.
So, bata ni Janica. How old are you?
I'm 26.
26. Grabe. Amazing na you're running a big
It's
restaurant
overwhelming,
like this.
but parang the people here, the staff, parang sobrang okay yung relationship namin, kaya it makes it a bit easier to go through every day.
Okay. You're expecting this na ganito kadami ang tao?
Actually, we
na-surprise
were
ka?
hopeful
It's-
naman. We were hopeful because we do have a big space here. Tapos the exposure is parang maganda yung exposure natin sa both sa highway pati sa foot traffic. So we were expecting there to be a lot of people. We just didn't know how much people would be
Yeah.
willing to support the new venture. Ayun. Tapos parang since masarap, parang kilala naman Samgyup Salamat na masarap yung food and the service is also great. So talagang sinuportahan siya ng community natin in Antipolo.
Oo. So part yun nung binigay nila na service sa'yo na in terms of paano siya pag-aralan.
The market study, I think, was done by our, parang sariling kusa siya na inaral namin, and then we just presented the location to the franchisors, and then since they responded positively naman, parang we pushed through with the franchise.
This one?
This one is our VIP area. So,
this is the VIP.
For this area, actually, not a lot of branches have the VIP area. But I think the newer ones would have. So this one sa Antipolo could take about 25 to 30 packs. And then if you reserve 25 to 30 packs, we'll close the door for you, and then you can have a private area for your samgyup. Pwedeng pang Christmas party, pang celebrate ng birthday. And then parang madalas naman, like you just see different kinds of groups come in and they eat. Kasi lahat naman nag-crave ng K-food, diba? Like everyone craves for samgyup, ganyan. So different kinds of people come in, whether nagsuschool pa sila, or working, or after work, or even parang natripan lang, yung tipong nag-pass by sila and then they crave for samgyup. So parang that's the type of people that we are seeing here sa restaurant.
So mix yan?
Mixed group talaga. Even age, sobrang
Even age.
mix, yeah. Like, we can see, sometimes may mga new parents na pumupunta dito late at night, mga 10 p.m., tapos dala nila yung baby nila. I'm not sure why nagkakataon talaga, like, gabi sila pumupunta, but it's just fun to talk to them and to get to know kung saan sila galing, ganun. And then, other times naman, groups na puro senior yung pumupunta, nagsa-celebrate ng birthday or kung ano, yeah.
Janica, this is your first major venture.
Yeah, this is the first major venture.
How was it?
It's a lot of troubleshooting on like the back end. Pero we take it a day at a time naman. Some days are better than others, I would say. But definitely, parang evolving naman yung business. So we're learning as we go, and definitely parang hands-on din kami talaga.
Kaano ka hands-on? Everyday?
Everyday
nandito
talaga.
ka?
Yeah, everyday talaga nandito ako. Yeah, from like before opening to closing, pero ngayon may naasahan ako mag-open. So around pag like mga 12 o'clock hanggang closing around
Nandito
2
ka?
a.m. Yeah, nandito pa ako.
Grabe.
Yeah, so,
Anong oras ba yung closing supposedly?
operations is 11 to 11 p.m. but opening and closing is 2 hours ahead and 2 hours after the operations. Yun. So talagang may oras na ina-allot for opening and for just closing. Kasi since we're a restaurant, we really do thorough cleaning with all of our areas sa restaurant, especially the kitchen. Yun. So very thorough kami.
Hindi ba mahirap yon since it's your first major venture?
I think it's challenging, definitely. Parang hindi naman nawawala ang challenge sa lahat ng business, even whether or not you're considering it to be your first venture or pang X number of ventures na. But I think the guidance from family, the experiences that I've had before also, kasi I've always been a risk taker also when it comes to business or mga side gigs, ganyan. Like, mahilig na naman ako sa ganun. So I think all of those experiences plus the guidance parang really eases a bit of the load that I have now. So ngayon, parang nakapag-adjust na ng konti. But at the same time, parang yun nga, we're still trying to discover all of the challenges and solve all of them at the same time as well.
Paano yan? Kasi it needs maturity ba? Are you matured enough, 26 years old, running
I would say
this
so
kind of
naman. I would say
business?
so. I think since actually, like, for context also, lahat ng staff ko, in-interview ko sila isa-isa. So I've also like talked to different age groups, no, when it comes to me hiring, and you would be surprised how mature even like applicants at the age of 18, 19, 20, they're all parang iba talaga eh. Like, depende na lang sa upbringing mo tsaka sa drive ng person. But I would say as early as mga 18, ganyan, you can see a lot of people that are mature na rin. So definitely at the age of 26, parang meron ka na ring sariling parang capability. Yeah. Or competence. Yeah.
Okay. May gusto ka bang i-share sa amin? Kasi bihira akong maka-interview ng younger.
Oo nga po eh. Just really like extending all of this, even if parang yung front is ako yung solo nag-venture dito, but definitely parang it's a big thanks to everyone at my back supporting me. My fiancé Jeffrey and my family, my dad si Ricky, diba?
Yeah.
Like sobrang full support talaga sila sa pag venture ko ng ganito, kasi it's something that is not in our line of expertise that we just went into.
Ibang business.
Ibang business talaga. And parang nakakatuwa lang na hindi naman porket zero experience ka sa ganitong line, you can be totally at a loss. Apparently, marami kang little bits and pieces from other experiences mo that you can just apply, oo. So medyo ganun siya nakakatuwa in that sense. And yun nga, parang it really takes a village to build anything. So definitely not taking credit for what's already here with us, like yung pag-open ng branch na to lahat. Even the team from Samgyup Salamat, the head office, talagang full support din sila for our branch opening. So we credit like as in all parties talaga for this opening. Yun. So I guess more of coordination na lang on our end, and yun nga, like yung talagang commitment din to keep on operating as best as we could, to keep giving the service, the best service that we could also.
Ano yung, yung day-to-day life mo ngayon, since nag-start yung restaurant, 2 weeks ago?
It's only been 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Third week namin this
So,
week.
gaano ka busy yan?
hard
Anong oras
kasi-
ka nag-start? Gumising?
Yeah, like no, it's hard because I live in QC. So yung travel ko, no, like from QC to Antipolo is about 1 hour and a half on a good day, 2 hours on a bad day, on a really heavy traffic day. So when we open at 9, so simula ako pa yung nag-open ng shop. Ako rin yung nagka-close ng shop until 2 a.m. So talagang pagod talaga siya on my end. The first week, may support naman kami from the head office. May opening team sila na pinadala, around 4 or 5 people to help set up the store.
Yeah.
But on the second week, we had to adjust kasi kami na lang mag-isa. Basically, the people here in Antipolo na staff namin, sila talaga yung mag-open, mag-close, magko-continue ng operations. So, parang adjustment yun on our end. And then on the third week naman, parang personally, I did a lot of the admin work. Kasi first 2 weeks, syempre, adjust kami sa operation. So, hindi kami makagalaw in terms of yung back-end work. Pero nung third week, kahit papano, ako mismo nakapag-unload naman ako ng mga responsibilities ko rin sa admin side.
Oh.
Yeah, and then my team kept continuing yung operation. So, medyo ganun kami ngayon. We're still trying to understand the market and to see what people like, how people want to be served. So we're still continually improving yung yung service namin.
So, ilang oras lang pahinga mo? So,
Sandali lang talaga. Parang I get home kung 3 a.m. ako makauwi. Siguro by 6 a.m. I have to hindi naman, mga 7 a.m. I'll go na again, 7 a.m.
grabe.
Yun.
Okay. So, sabi mo, since bago at you're continuously learning, you think may mga hindi pa kayo na-discover na in terms of sa operations?
A lot of things like how to make service more efficient, because there are a lot of tables that we have to cater to. We have taken steps to hire more people already since we started, but at the same time, parang we also want to maximize per employee efficiency. So we delegate roles, we try to see which type of parang kung mas okay ba na random pick up sila ng order, tas random na deliver, or may zoning talaga sila na dapat isang tao in charge ng table 1, 2, 3, 4. Tapos yung kabilang tao doon naman sa kabilang section. May mga ganun kaming strategies that we're trying to roll out, but we won't know until makalipas ilang weeks before we can actually make a conclusion, no, which one would be better for a unlimited concept. And then syempre, parang the challenges also of trying to explain the rules of the unlimited restaurant, because parang may kanya-kanyang experiences lahat ng guests natin na pumapasok in terms of their expectations for an unlimited restaurant. So sometimes parang we don't know how to really parang put our foot down when it comes to guests that kunyari want to enter pero like may dalang kids that won't eat, parang ganon. So may mga ganyang adjustments that we have to discuss also with the head office, ano yung standard, what do we have to be strict about, and what can we be more lenient with.
Anong marketing ginagawa mo? Bakit sobrang puno yung restaurant?
I think our branch, kasi since naman kami, under Samgyup Salamat, so mayroon naman regional na marketing yung Samgyup Salamat that they do. So we piggyback on that marketing, but at the same time, in this specific area in Antipolo, we think it's really the location that made it stand out, because main road po tayo, highway. So lahat talaga ng from
Makikita
Ortigas
talaga.
Extension umakyat, Marcos Highway umakyat, lahat talaga parang visible na visible yung store natin. Kaya siguro parang mabilis yung word of mouth na parang, uy, may Samgyup Salamat na nagbukas dito, ganyan. So it's really like more of ganun na scenario. Because personally, I'm more of an ops centered na person. I love troubleshooting mga problems and trying to figure out workarounds with them. But when it comes to marketing, parang mas mahina ako doon in the sense na I would rather put all of my focus sa operations ng restaurant mismo. So I would credit the inflow of guests at this point, so earlier in
Yeah.
our opening, based on the location talaga.
So, but eventually magkakaroon ka ng
Eventually,
marketing
definitely magkakaroon ng marketing because we do have marketing plans with the head office na regional, and at the same time we also have local marketing that we have to also parang self-initiate. Yun.
Sa age mo, marami ka bang kilala na ganito rin? Kalaki yung responsibility na ini-embrace?
I think so, in the sense that marami akong friends, classmates that are also running their own businesses. May or may not be in the food industry, but definitely parang in terms of responsibility, marami naman akong kilalang mga girl boss din or mga parang tawag nila tauke, yung parang pinaka bossing ganyan ng isang negosyo, whether it's warehousing, trucking, logistics, or importing, selling, online businesses, even mga real estate. Some of my friends are already into it na there's a lot of people at our age group that are parang promising when it comes to their business careers ngayon.
Yeah. Anong advantage mo over others?
I wouldn't say
Your
advantage.
age, your...
I think it's just the mindset lang siguro.
Mindset talaga.
Yeah, ever since I was younger, I think I've always had clear vision on where I want to go, no matter how it takes in terms of parang risk also. I am very much a risk taker. Hindi rin ako timid in terms of my attempts towards trying to I guess make my own footing in the business world. Ayun lang, parang I'm not sure what advantage talaga. I guess it's more of ever since yun yung mindset ko. So wherever I am at any point, parang I take learnings from it. Yun. Regardless if I consider it success or a failure, syempre, di ba? I've had my own fair share of miscalculations and trials na finaced ko din. So, all of it, parang I take into heart yung mga learnings ko, and then I also don't easily give up din naman.
Yung audience na ko ay more mature, pero I'm sure pag napanood ko nila, may impress sila. Pwede mo bang invite yung audience natin to visit saan exactly yung location ng restaurant?
Yes, of course. We're inviting everyone to visit us in our branch in Antipolo City. That's the newly opened Samgyup Salamat. We're right along El Sumulong Memorial Circle, corner F Manalo, in front of Basta Supermarket, beside Emerald Building, and in the same compound as MLQ Palengke po.
Palengke, yeah.
We can cater to a big group of mga people, mga students, mga barkada, or mga office mates or workmates who wants to just dine in and have K-food. Yun.
Yeah.
So we're open every day from Monday to Sunday, holidays included, hanggang 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we extend until 12 midnight. Yun. So we're just open anytime. Feel free to try our food. The quality of our meat, definitely A+, and our service will be A+ as well. Yung social media namin is through Facebook page pa lang, Samgyup Salamat Antipolo - Sumulong Highway. Yun.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so ngayon taste test na tayo. At yeah, try na natin i-experience.
Yung kanilang samgyup. Good. Masarap siya.
Kausap mo si sir
Oo.
about?
Business. Nakwentuhan niya sa Aine. Naturuan niya.
Alam niya, ikaw yung sa Pinay How To. Kunin niyo to.
So, dun ko to, diba? Kain na, sis. Chess. Ang sarap.
Ano to?
Chicken, ano nga daw yun?
Saan yung sasaw-saw? Saan sasaw-saw?
Kahit saan. Carne overload to. Grabe.
Grabe.
Ayan na yung soup that. It's good. Yeah. The best.
Sir, mag-vlog tayo mamaya. Kayo po yung... Yes, atin yung tumulo. Thank you. Sir Randy, anong position mo rito?
Restaurant manager po.
At Tipolo Branch?
Yes po.
Okay, sir. Kumusta?
Nakaka...
Ano?
Sorry.
Na-conscious. Pero ikaw ba ay ang background mo talaga ay restaurant?
Yes po. Actually, I've been working in kitchen for 18 years.
18 years.
Started in the kitchen and then tuloy-tuloy na po yan sa restaurant.
Tumaas ang tumaas.
Opo. And then, start ako syempre sa pinakamababa, dishwasher, kitchen helper, monitoring, and then isa line cook, and then nagpurso ako na sana makikagaya rin ako ng mga kitchen supervisor ko noon. And then God's grace, nabigyan ako ng pagkakataon.
Break mo to,
Syempre, opo.
First time mo maging manager ba or hindi naman?
Hindi po first time, pero every year po, siguro every level po ng susunod na trabaho is umaangat po.
Umaangat.
Opo. Ito po yung first time ko na humawak ng 30 employees mahigit.
Wow.
And then, medyo pressure sa una, pero kailangan kayanin. Kung ano yung standard na tinuro po sa amin sa Sanggip Salamat company is implement po namin sa mga staff, and then leadership sa amin, mga management.
Anong kakaiba dito sa branch ninyo?
Ang kakaiba dito sa branch namin is first time yung sa location na to, yung magkaroon ng restaurant itself na ganito kalaki.
Okay.
So far kasi laking Antipolo ko, itong kinatatayuan ng Sanggip Salamat doon is malaking bakanting lote pa noon. So glad na every year may progress siya.
Saan exactly makikita?
Exactly makikita po sa F. Manalo Street, El Sumulong Circle. Okay? Ang pinaka-landmark niya po is lagpas po ng Shopwise, tapat po ng Paddy's. Napakadaling puntahan siya. Napaka-accessible. Maraming parking space kaya hindi po problema yung mga customer natin.
Alright.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Hi guys, we are inviting you to dine in here at
Samgyup Salamat Antipolo Branch! See you!
Available na po ang Agribusiness merch sa Shopee. Ang link nasa description box. Agribusiness, how it works. Instruct, inspire, succeed.